Hello everyone. So we have a rocket launcher around here. I get that from Amazon. So the kids are trying. Oh. But you no, not here. It's very light. So oh shoot, it's on the roof. Oh no. La. Let's see. It's up there.
I can see it.
It's over there. Oh my god.
Hey, mommy.
Huh? Yeah. We're gonna transfer farther to the house. From the house. Because they are aiming it towards the ropes and we got one already.
I can see it. Amazing.
It's amazing. Go back there. I'm just gonna launch one. You have to put it back. You have to assemble it by yourself. Yeah. This is like styrofoam or something. Show me. Give me that. It's actual. It's like it has lights, but maybe because it's daylight we can't see. Wait. He is.
Back all the
That's
way.
the.
Get back all the way there so I can change you.
No. Oh.
Sharina, if you break this, it's gonna be all on you.
Okay. Wait. He's gonna launch the rocket.
After I put this thing together.
What happened? Oh, it's very far. It's here now. There. See, it's fun for kids. Oh! Oh my god. It's fun for kids. Take turns. Sharina. There you go. Oh my god, it's fun.
I can't believe one already got in the room.
I told you. I told you to the roof. It's okay. Oh, that one. Oh. You can catch it. Try to catch it. It's very light. So that's our rocket launcher shoe. We're gonna try to fix this with the flyers first. Push it down. You have to push it down and then you can play again. Okay.